Greetings. I'm Robert Cannon, Managing Partner of Sapient Property Group, and I would like to welcome you to our website where we're featuring 3 exceptional investment opportunities. But before I dive into the information, I'd like to tell you why we love these properties. Let's begin with the first 2 properties, which are both ground-up development projects. The first is a 264-unit garden-style apartment property, which will be called the Black Hills Manor. The other is a 70-unit duplex project, which will be called the Yellow Brick Road. Now, both will be luxury Class A properties, with each having their own clubhouse, workout facility, pool, hot tub, cabanas, outdoor cooking areas, pickleball court, dog park, and the latest technology packages. The apartments will have covered parking, while the duplexes will have attached garages. Both of these projects are located in Gainesville, Texas, a growing city north of Dallas and just south of the WinStar Casino, which is one of the largest casinos in the United States. Gainesville is growing rapidly and attracting more people due to its diversified economic base, many employers, quality of life, and lower cost of living. At present, there are about 4 million people living within a 60-mile radius of Gainesville. And due to a lack of multifamily housing in Gainesville, many employees have to commute from the neighboring cities of Sherman, Sanger, and Denton. These two projects are located contiguously to each other, and both will be managed from the apartment management office in order to achieve economies of scale. One additional attraction to our site is it's located in an opportunity zone, which has the benefit of eliminating capital gains taxes should we hold the property for 10 years. We at Sapient have 2 overriding criteria for either acquiring or developing a property. First, we do not do a project unless we see the project having the potential to generate a 20% annual rate of return to our investors, because we want our investors to be able to double their money over a 5-year hold period. And both of these projects exceed that criteria. We also strive to eliminate risk wherever possible, and debt poses the greatest risk to a real estate investment, particularly a development project, because there are so many factors that we as developers can't control. We can't control the weather, supply constraints, city, county approvals, and these factors can make the difference between a great project, a mediocre project, or worst case, a failed project. And we've eliminated that risk entirely. So now let's talk about the third project, which is EcoShield Building System, or simply EBS. EBS is a manufacturing business which will have the exclusive license to manufacture, utilize, and distribute this unique building system. We believe that EBS will revolutionize the building industry, because instead of utilizing wood framing, we build the exterior walls, interior walls, and roof superstructure out of galvanized steel and use expanded polyester for insulation, which provides superior soundproofing qualities and is extremely energy efficient. Utilizing this system is less expensive, faster to put up, and much stronger. In fact, these structures can withstand hurricanes and tornadoes. It's fireproof, bug-proof, waterproof, and mildew-proof. It's extremely energy efficient, resulting in up to 50% lower utility costs for our tenants, and the soundproofing is incredible. So our tenants' power bills will be roughly half what they would be in a competitive project, and due to the soundproofing qualities, they won't hear any sound pollution from neighboring apartments or from outside noises. So that's going to give us a real competitive edge over any other competitive project that might get built in Gainesville. Buildings go up faster too, because while we're doing the horizontal development on the site, i.e. the dirt work, the utilities, and the foundation, we're in the plant building the wall sections. Once the horizontal construction is completed and we're ready to go vertical, we simply truck the wall sections out to the site and plug them into the the foundation tracking. And from there, it really goes up fast. To give you an idea, we did a 4,000 square foot house, put up the exterior walls, interior walls, and the roof superstructure in 4 days. That would have taken months if you had used conventional wood framing. So this is really important because this means our project goes up faster and therefore gets leased up faster, and that means that cash flow distributions start much quicker to you, the investor. Also, this project should end up costing 10% less using this unique building system. We plan to utilize EcoShield building systems for all of our projects. And we also plan to develop outside customers, other builders and developers, because this system can be used for almost every type building, to include single-family homes, apartments, hotels, office buildings, retail, restaurant, and industrial uses. However, we won't take on any customers that are building competitive projects next to ours. We see tremendous expansion capabilities for the company to include going national and international. Imagine how popular structures built with EBS would be on the East Coast, where they have those devastating hurricanes. Our structures are so strong that they can literally thumb their nose at hurricanes. And because our wall structures are fireproof, you can actually build a fireproof home with them, which would be very popular with the insurance companies in California. Now, these exclusive opportunities are only open to accredited investors because big visions demand exceptional partners. With EBS, we're offering an unheard of 30% preferred annual rate of return to our investors. And because we already have customers, namely our own projects, plus we have other builders lined up, we believe that we can return the original capital and the 30% pref return in 2 years or less. And because we're not incurring any debt for this project, it makes it a very conservative investment opportunity. Now, once the investors get back their original capital and the 30% return, they're effectively bought out of the project. So if you're looking for a great passive investment that's conservative and yet provides a great potential return, we'd love to help you achieve your financial goals while you enjoy your lifestyle. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoy the rest of the information on our website. Bye for now.